In Kerala also, by the way.
Second supplementary.
But my submission, therefore, sir, is the
Jebi Hisham. Second supplementary.
Sir, the minister's reply says, and I quote, prices of petrol and diesel are market determined and public sector oil marketing companies take appropriate decisions on pricing of petrol and diesel. While crude oil prices Indian basket increased from US $73.30 per barrel December 2021 to US $112.87 per barrel during March 2022 and further to US $116.01 in June 2022 and continue to remain highly volatile, OMCs have not increased or revised prices since 6th April 2022, I unquote. However, Indian petroleum companies got the benefit of rupees 27,550 crores and India's import of crude oil for almost same volume in the first half of financial year 2022-23 in the first half of financial year 23-24 was 25% lower value-wise due to subsidized crude oil from Russia. So my question, this benefit is not seen passed on to the common man. Will you pass on these benefits to the common man in India?
Sir, I would advise all my friends in the political world to use better research and think tanks, sir. All these statistics which the honourable member read out, I've heard this false narrative earlier. Let me place the facts before the House. Sir, the global situation today is characterized by a high degree of turbulence. The military operations which started in February 2022 between Russia and the Ukraine, I'm choosing my words very carefully, and subsequently the attack by the terrorist group Hamas on Israel. This I am responsible.
You will have to give up this habit.
And
please, you can take the floor only when I give that sanction. Please, sir, take your seat. Honorable Minister.
Sir, during this 2-year period, sir, the price per barrel, has gone down during the lockdown to as little as 19 degrees 56 cents, and it went up to $128 per barrel. I am not in the fortune telling or soothsaying business, sir. All I can say is that I cannot predict where the oil prices will be, but I can predict, based on hard facts, that the oil marketing companies, I'm talking to our PSUs, because they are good corporate citizens, they incurred a loss of 21,000 crores. So we had a combination of three things. One, we had the Honorable Prime Minister reduce the excise duty which the center charges, which meant the center, at a time when it was providing 800 million people or 80 crore people 3 meals of dry ration in a day, it was foregoing revenue of 2.2 lakh crores. That is what the central government did. The BJP ruled states cut their VAT. This is in sharp contrast to what my colleague asked about raising oil bonds. Karza le nana or bhukte pota. This was in Hindi, sir, not in Punjabi. The Punjabi is slightly more colorful, sir. Now, my point is, for someone to be asking me a question,
please. Honorable Minister, through the chair.
Honorable Sir, I say again, central government, Honorable Prime Minister reduces the excise duty on 2 occasions, November 21, May 22, reduces the reduction in price by 13 rupees and 16 rupees. OMCs, as good corporate citizens, incur a loss of 21,000 crores, BJP state, that is why the prices are lower. Now, if the question is, why don't we make oil or gas or something totally free? Well, there was a distinguished leader of this House, Prime Minister, who's still a very distinguished member of the House. He said, money does not grow on trees. I'm a student of his. All I can say is, if the resources were limitless. We could maybe reduce it. But the OMCs are also answerable to their taxpayers, to their shareholders. And I think what has been done in India, which has made our prices lower than any other major economy in the world. If you get the November figures, they'll be even lower. If today is 5%, they'll be lower by 11%.
Third supplementary, Dr. Ashok Kumar Mittal.